Hi folks, it's Russ from Terrace, and I just want to show you the PETROMAX griddle and fire pit here. This is a large one, really good bit of kit for camping like we are here at the side of the river, just doing a bit of fishing. This particular one means that you can obviously have your fire on top of it. You don't have to have it on the grass, which is really good. You don't need a trace. Comes with 3 little legs that screw into the bottom here, and they're all flat packs. Comes with a bag like this, and just really handy for throwing. Doesn't take up too much space in the back of your vehicle, and we've got a small little boat with us. Threw that in the boat, and it's really good. You can actually get a smaller griddle which actually sits on top of this. Should you want to have a fire like you have here, you just put the smaller griddle on top and you can cook your food on the plate, on the similar type of plate than this. Obviously it's a smaller one. So yeah, so you can check it out there at petromax.de. Thanks for watching.